What if my IRS refund is taking longer than 21 days on Tax Act? Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to talk about what if your IRS refund is taking longer than 21 days on Tax Act. So if your IRS refund is taking longer than the typical 21 days to process and you file your taxes using the Tax Act, here's the step you can take. First of all, navigate to www.taxact.com and hit enter in your web page. Then after log into your Tax Act account and check the status of your e-filed return. Tax Act typically provides a status tracker or summary page where you can monitor the progress of your return and look for any updates or messages indicating the status of your refund. Double check your tax return for any errors or discrepancies that may be causing a delay in your processing. Ensure that all the information is accurate and complete, including your personal information, income deductions, and credits. And if you're unable to determine the reason for the delay or if you need assistance with your return, contact Tax Act customer support for the assistance. They may be able to provide guidance and help you identify any issues that needs to be addressed. Now simply visit Where is my refund tool or track the IRS refund. You'll need to provide your social security number, your ITIN, and your filing status and the exact whole dollar amount of your refund. If it has been more than 21 days since you filed your return, or 6 weeks if you filed a paper return, and if you have not received your refund or any communication from the IRS, contact the IRS for the assistance. You can call the IRS at 1-800-829-1040 to speak with a representative who can provide further guidance. Double check that you provided the correct bank account information for the direct deposit of your refund, and if there are any errors in your bank account information, it could delay the processing of your refund. While waiting for your refund can be frustrating, it's essential to remain patient and allow the IRS for sufficient time to process your tax return accurately. Refunds are typically issued as soon as possible. Once any issues are resolved by following the simple steps and staying proactive, you can help identify and address any issues that may be causing a delay in receiving your IRS refund using the Tax Act. So this is basically on what if your IRS refund is taking longer than 21 days on Tax Act. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.